Welcome back, astronomical learners. In today's educational video, I wanted to introduce some simple learning blocks. So I got these years ago just from like the Target dollar spot, but usually every time of year you can find them sometimes either in Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, wherever you'd like, or if you get some dry erase tape, you can put them on your own Legos or Duplo box, or if you just want to use simple dry erase, you can. But I wanted to show a video on how we can use an open-ended concept like building simple CVC words to help practice decoding skills and that early and fluent recall. So I'm simply going to say pick whatever vowel you like and put it in the middle. It can be any vowel, A, E, I, O, U, and then also pick whatever consonant. So most of the times we start with S and T, so I'm going to change it up a little here. Let's use P, and then let's use N. All right, are you ready? So let's start. P, A, N, P, A, N. Pan, pan. Great, so we can put them all together and we made the word pan. All right, so let's put this to the side. So we still have some vowels here. Let's put E in the middle, which is the short vowel E. And let's put a B here and a T here. Next we have B, E, T, bet. So we put them together and we have bet. Great job. All right, now we only have the S left, so we're going to have to steal from over here. So let's put the I in the middle, and let's take the N from over here, and we have a new word. Ready? B-I-N. Bin. Now we have a new word. Bin. We still have this S here. Let's try and use this S. And we'll separate. Let's put this O in the middle. Oh, here we go. We have S, A, N. Saw. Saw, on. On. And then, oh, let's change this a little bit. Son. Son. That's right. Like if I have a boy, a baby boy, he grows up to become, and or even when he's born, he is my son. Now, what is a word that's spelled differently but will sound the same? That's right. We have n, sun, sun. Now tell me something. Why are these two different letters, but when we pronounce the word, they have the same sound, but they have a different meaning? Well, that comes later with morphology and etymology. So we want to educate our students. S-U-N, sun, means like the bright sunshine, like a sunny day. Where this, when we change to the O, that means a person, place, or thing. It's a noun. That's right, a noun. We're talking about a person. A son. Like somebody has a son, or they might have a daughter. All right, now let's practice a different way. If you can tell what I'm trying to make. All right, so we have tap, tap. Now, what if we add an E at the end? What changes? I'm going to give you a hint. It's that vowel that's going to change. It's no longer going to be tap. It's going to change to tape, tape. Because of that magic E, when we have two vowels, that first one does the talking. Now this happens with multiple vowels, not just A and E. It's anything with the E. So we have P, I, N, pin, and we add the E, and it changes from pin to pine, pine. You see that there? And then also we can move on, we can even talk about some vowel teams. So we have p, a, n, pain. So as you can see here, individually they might not have any meaning, but when you put these letters together and we decode and we blend and we essentially sound them out, we can make any words that we want. So let me know in the comments, what words would you make, and tell me if you'd use this or if you'd like to see me use another educational product that I like to use in my homeschool or in my tutoring. But as always, thank you so much for watching.